I knew you were gonna do that, Boston Norton.
Here is winter storm warning information for the following areas in Massachusetts: eastern Franklin, northern Worcester, and northwest Middlesex County. What? Heavy wet snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 12 to 18 inches. Winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour.
Woo!
Where? The high terrain of western and central Massachusetts. When? From 8 p.m. Monday to 8 a.m. Wednesday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible with snow-covered roads and near zero visibility at times. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Additional details: heavy wet snow combined with gusty winds will increase the risk for power outages. This will be a high impactful winter storm. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Here is high wind watch information for the following area.
Probably gonna get a high wind warning as soon as I turn this camera off.